All right, let's unpack this one in detail because vehicle motion cues in iOS 18 is a brand new accessibility feature. And Apple designed it for something super specific, helping people who get motion sickness when using iPhones and moving cars, buses, or trains. It's subtle but brilliant. So let's go step by step and unpack this. What is vehicle motion cues? When you're in a moving car and looking down at your phone, your eyes are focused on a still screen while your inner ear feels the motion of the vehicle. That sensory mismatch is what triggers motion sickness in many people. Okay? Apple's solution, vehicle motion cues. It places subtle, animated dots around the edges of your iPhone screen. These dots move in sync with the motion of the vehicle, forward, backward, side to side. Your brain sees some motion on the screen that matches the movement you're feeling, reducing the mismatch and erasing nausea. So basically, your iPhone becomes aware of the car's motion and gives your eyes a tiny visual hint to help your body adapt. So, how to enable vehicle motion cues? Go to the accessibility and settings. Okay, scroll a little bit down, accessibility, and scroll down until you find motion. Okay, somewhere around here. Let me just, yeah, right here. And find vehicle motion cues. Okay, so inside motion, you will see a new option called vehicle motion cues. It only appears on iOS 18 and later. Tap into it and choose how it works. And you will see two main options, or three. Always on, vehicle motion cues will display anytime your iPhone detects motion. Only in vehicle, motion cues activate only when the sensors confirm you're in a moving car, bus, or a train. There's also a turn off option if you want to disable it completely. And then go and test it. Sit in a moving car or bus, hold your phone and watch the corners of your screen. You'll notice small dots moving slightly, forward, backward, or sideways, matching the direction the car is moving. Keep using your phone normally. Scroll, read, text. The dots are meant to stay out of the way, but still help your brain sync motion. If you want tips for best results, use it in a portrait mode. Cues are easier to notice at the edges. Don't cover the edges with a case bezel that's too thick. You might miss the dot. Start with always on to see if you like it. Then switch to only in vehicle, right, once you're used to it. If you're sensitive to visual clutter, adjust gradually. Your brain adapts over a couple of rides. Okay, not seeing the dots, make sure you've updated to iOS 18 and restarted after turning it on. Dots feel distracting, switch from always on to only in vehicle or automatic. That way you only see them when moving. Still motion sick? Apple notes this won't eliminate motion sickness for everyone, but it reduces the severity for many reasons. Okay, so vehicle motion cues is one of those small Apple features with huge quality of life payoff. Instead of forcing you to look out the window when your car's sick, your iPhone helps your eyes and inner ear agree on what's happening. With iOS 18, you can finally scroll a TikTok or reply to messages in a moving car without fighting nausea the whole ride. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.